for my 21st birthday. Because everybody asking 21st, I say yes. What happened? Most is business people is here, so they know gross or net, gross sales or net. So gross is there, so I am in the net. So that become 21. So we call them IRS and do the audit, and they finish my audit and they say, so many times you are sleeping, they don't count. So many times you don't do anything, then count. After all subtracted, become 21. So I'm making my birthday is 21st. And other thing, I know this is the first time we're doing it, because all these years for the children's, we invited to everybody for his birthday, for all our kids or family kids and all, invited our friends for our children's birthday. And they don't know anybody. They don't know anybody. They say, this is your uncle. This is my best friend from high school. This is from my college friends. But my son does not have none of them interest. He just want to have like 4 friends. He's go along with them, He don't care what the uncle is and is their friends. So what happened? But we do care. Is our friends coming over, right? So the speech I'm giving you to let them know. So what I thought, I raised my kids and running around and every single birthday to different places, invited all our friends and families and for wishes. He have no interest much. He have only interest what my gift is. I don't know, was uncle, I don't care, open the gift and gone. But our interest is, we like to share them. Oh, this is my son. This is my kid. He's at 21, 22. But they don't care. But they care about me, so that's why they come. They don't care you 11, 12, 13, 14. They're just really, as a friendly, they can come in as a friend. So I decided this year, I said, my kid grown and stuff, so I'm going to make my own birthday. Why not I do that? Make up my own birthday and invite everybody, friends, and who care about me, they are here. And they, so I did a bunch of businesses, but start from there and still continue business. They're all business friends and all is like childhood friends we have here. I was my roommate, was he sitting here, and when I came in America, was his roommate, this guy. He is sleeping in the night, a very skinny kid guy at that time, and his foot moving at next door and all. I say, why are you not sleeping? His cousin was like, keep moving like a viper, his foot. I was sleeping next door to him in Hialeah, So the life was very interesting. And our friend of mine who picked me up from the airport is here, Jahazeb. Where are you? Yes, he's sitting there. He cannot get up now, but he's the guy. He picked me up from there to brought him. Oh, you know what? This is America dream here. 1 room, 8 people in there. 8 of them in 1 room, 1 bathroom. So he dumped me, and then he said, you have it 2 days later. He said, you have to share the money. You have to pay the bill. You have to buy own milk and all. I said, oh, okay. And one guy sitting in the toilet. 1 guy taking shower, 3rd guy brushing his teeth, and same bathroom. That's the life I start with, My dad gave me $500 to come over here, and then I was in my college. So God blessed me, my blessing for my moms and dad, and he prayed for my mom and dad, and then all blessed. They came from there, and brother and sisters all been support. I'm here, very healthy. God bless me. And this is the reason I invite everybody, let them know you should be invited in your own wishes, on your happiness, and on this thing up. You do same thing what I'm doing it. Invite them and get together, our old friends, and they are there. They're truly friends, they're here. They're not going to have excuses. If they're your birthday and all, they was here and they participate. We have our roommate Shahab, and he's been childhood friend, Shams, who brought back to him. And then also we have many, if I can start it, when I started my first business, I was actually running the convenience store. One of the gentlemen coming with the car on the taxi driver, right? And he's on called Checker. That time is Checker 9, I'm talking 1989 or something like that, 1989. And he came in and that times and basically he have tough one as the food and he resting under my gas convenience store. And I was working there actually, as a Circle K. So he said, why don't we start a convenience store business that time? So I start Mr. Anayatullah, the family. I joined with him and opened one of my stores. And that is that old time. He is one of the senior guy I know. He came in 1970s. So it's a long history coming. Everybody support me to bring me here. I'm very successful. I'm blessed from God and blessed for all our family and friends. That's the most important family and friend, all the wishes. Some they are here, they are share with the feelings and they're really truly friends. So I just want to let you know, everybody must joining together, bring your own friends, own invitation to invite them and share your feelings. And because life is very short, I came with a number of my brothers. They're not here. My sister is passed away also. But what happened? But they left the beautiful memories and behind there a lot of children. So they went left one, but they left 4 more here, So they're growing all our family also. They are here and supporting to us. And this is a gentleman friend of mine, also is a business friend. Asif Lalani is come from all there in Tampa. Some of friends came in from Atlanta, and we have Imran Niazi here from Atlanta. And I know our longest attorney has been long time, Rob Hyman with his wife right there behind. He's still with the Superstops a long time, is our friends and family, been joined it long time, still with us. We have Ali is Rahmani's son, is here. Aftab is here also.